Golf companies want you to believe that you need 14 clubs to play well. You don't. A lot of amateurs are carrying half a bag of dead weight, long irons they can't launch, a driver fighting their swing speed, wedges that dig instead of glide. Today we're stripping it all down to 8 clubs that actually earn their spot in your bag, match to your swing speed, your handicap, and whatever miss keeps showing up on your scorecard, whether that's a slice, a chunk, or a thin strike that never gets airborne. We'll cover options at every price point too, from budget-friendly to premium, so there's a real pick here no matter your budget. For more information and the most updated prices, check the links in the description. Number 1, the High-Loft Max Forgiveness Driver. If your swing speed sits under 90 miles an hour, this is the club that changes your whole round before you even reach the fairway. We're talking 12 to 14 degrees of loft, a lightweight graphite shaft, and a deep, low center of gravity built to get the ball up in the air even when you catch it low on the face. The engineering here isn't about raw power, it's about resistance to twisting on-off center hits. So a strike toward the heel or toe still holds its line instead of leaking into the trees. The Ping G430 Max is the one to put on your short list, and it's built for exactly this. A huge, stable head that keeps dispersion tight no matter how the round is going. It also ships with an adjustable rear weight, so you can set into a draw-biased position. So if your miss is a slice, this is a driver that actively tries to straighten it out instead of just launching the ball higher. If your swing speed is on the slower end, look for it in a lighter, more flexible shaft option, rather than switching to an entirely different club. It sits in the premium tier, but this is one category where the extra cost buys real forgiveness, not just a paint job. If you've ever watched your drivers balloon short and left, or die on you without any carry, this is very often a loft problem, not a talent problem. Number 2, the High-lofted fairway wood. 7 wood or 9 wood? This is the club almost nobody in your group ever thinks about carrying, and it's the reason you'll start passing them on long par 4s. A 7 wood or even a 9 wood, typically in the lower 20s for loft, around 21 to 24 degrees, launches higher and lands softer than almost anything else in the bag. Think about the shot this replaces. A 3-iron or 4-iron off a tight lie is one of the hardest shots in golf, even for good players. Swap it for a high-lofted fairway wood and suddenly that same distance becomes a shot you can actually commit to, whether you're hitting off the deck or out of a light rough. The club to look at here is the Ping G440 fairway wood. Reviewers consistently rank it near the top for forgiveness, not because it chases the longest distance number in testing, but because it absorbs mishits better than most of its competitors, which is exactly the point of this category. It sits in the mid to premium range, but if you're only adding one club from this list, this is the one that pays for itself the fastest. The club exists because most golfers were never meant to hit long irons in the first place. It's not a compromise, it's the smarter tool for the job. Number 3, the Easy Launch Hybrid. If the fairway wood is the cheat code for long approaches, the hybrid is the cheat code for everything in between. A 4 hybrid or 5 hybrid takes the length of a long iron and pairs it with the forgiveness and launch of a wood, and the difference in confidence standing over the ball is immediate. Wider soles, higher MOI, and a low deep center of gravity means the ball gets airborne, even on strikes that would have stayed low and hot off a long iron. Plenty of game improvement hybrids also carry a slight draw bias built in, which quietly helps golfers who fight a slice without them even noticing why their misses got smaller. The Callaway Quantum Max OS is the standout in this category right now, and testers keep landing on it for the same reason. It's noticeably larger than a standard hybrid at address, which sounds like a small thing until you're standing over a tricky lie, and that extra footprint is exactly what gives you the confidence to commit to the swing. Its built-in draw bias makes it a strong pick, specifically if a slice is your recurring miss. It's priced in the mid-range, well under what you'd pay for the fairway wood, which makes it one of the easiest upgrades on this whole list to justify. If you're still carrying a 3, 4, or 5 iron and dreading every time one comes out of the bag, this is the trade to make. Number 4, the Super Game Improvement Iron Set. For anyone playing to an 18 handicap or higher or swinging on the lower end, this is the category built specifically for you, and there's no shame in it. Super Game Improvement irons use massive cavity backs or hollow body construction, extremely wide soles that refuse to dig, and often offset to help square the face automatically. These aren't the sleek blades you see touring pros carry, and that's the point. The tailor-made Key Max HL is the one testers point to most often here. HL stands for high launch, and the whole set is built around getting the ball up in the air with almost no effort from you, even on a strike that misses the sweet spot by half an inch or catches the ground a touch early. It's a genuine investment as a full set, but for a player fighting fat and thin shots in equal measure, it's the single biggest score saver on this list. They won't win a beauty contest. They'll win you strokes. Number 5, the Game Improvement Iron Set. Once you're consistently breaking out of the high handicap range, roughly 10 to 18, Game Improvement Irons become the better fit. You give up a small amount of maximum forgiveness in exchange for cleaner turf interaction and a trajectory you can actually start to shape. The Mizuno JPX 925 Hot Metal sits right in the middle ground, mid-sized heads, moderate offset, enough sole width to still bail you out, but with a feel that rewards better contact instead of just tolerating bad contact. It typically runs a step below the ultra premium sets, which makes sense since this is the set for the player who's done surviving and ready to start aiming. Number 6, the wide sole high bounce wedge. Wedges get fit on feel more than swing speed, but if you're someone who regularly hits behind the ball, chunking chips and digging into soft turf, this is the fix. A wide sole with extra bounce glides through the turf instead of catching it, which turns fat shots from a guaranteed disaster into a shot that still gets on the green. The Callaway CB12 is the clearest example of this category done right. It's a cavity-back design with a wide tri-sole that glides onto the ball instead of catching the turf. And it shares a lot of DNA with the super Game Improvement irons we just talked about. Wide sole, perimeter weighing, a higher natural launch. If your miss is specifically the fat chip, the one that goes 10 feet instead of 40, this is built to solve that exact shot. It's also one of the most affordable clubs on this whole list. If bunkers made you nervous or your chip shots are a coin flip, this is the cheapest confidence upgrade in the bag. Number 7, the higher MOI mallet putter. Here's something most golfers get wrong. They obsess over drive distance and completely ignore the club they use the most. Putting stroke speed barely matters compared to stability, and that's exactly what a high MOI mallet putter delivers. The weight sits far from the face, which means a stroke that's slightly off-center still rolls the ball on line instead of leaking offline. The tailor-made Spider Tour S is the safest pick in this category. It's the current version of a line that's been the gold standard for high MOI putting for over a decade, with millions of tour and amateur rounds behind the design. It sits in the premium tier, but putters are one of the few clubs you likely never replace again once you find the right one, so it's worth treating as a long-term purchase rather than an impulse buy. Add in a bold alignment aid down the top line, and you're turning a random swipe at the ball into something repeatable. This is true no matter your handicap or swing speed. Everyone 3 putts less with a putter built to forgive. At number 8, the complete boxed set. And if you're brand new to golf and the idea of picking all 7 other clubs on this list individually feels overwhelming, there's a shortcut. Boxed sets bundle a driver, fairway woods, hybrids, irons, wedges, and a putter, all pre-matched to work together with forgiving, high launch specs across the board. Sets like the Callaway Strata are consistently rated as the smartest way to start, and they're by far the most budget-friendly entry on this list, often costing less than a single premium driver from earlier in this video. You're not guessing at combinations. It's the golf equivalent of hitting play on Netflix instead of scrolling for 20 minutes. No decisions, just golf. Here's the real takeaway. Your misses aren't random and neither is the fix. A slice, a hook, a chunk, a thin strike, every one of those has a club design built specifically to soften it. Match your swing speed to loft and shaft, match your handicap to forgiveness level, and you'll find that 8 of the right clubs beat 14 mismatched ones every single time. Links to every club mentioned, with the most current prices, are in the description below.